Hello students, now today we'll do question number 10 and 11 of exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. So let's begin with question number 10. Now let's start with question number 10. According to question number 10, it is written the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. That is number of boys and girls. Number of boys by number of girls is in the ratio. What ratio they have given? 7:5. 7/5. So this is the statement. According to the first statement, this is the scenario. Okay, the number of boys by number of girls would be equals to 7/5. Now let's move on to the second part of the question. That is the number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. So what is the relation given? So number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. So what is the first thing that we have to do? We have to let the number of girls be x. Fine. So if the number of girls is x, so number of boys would be what? 8 more than the number of girls. So that would be x plus 8. Okay. Now according to the question, what we'll write? We'll use this first statement relation. That is number of boys is what? Number of boys is what now? X plus 8. And number of girls is what? X. So that is number of boys by number of girls. That would be equals to 7/5. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. That was 5 will go to this side and x will be transposed to 7. So 5 into x plus 8 equals to 7 into x. Okay. Now how to open this part, that is monomial with binomial? So we have to multiply this 5 with x and also we have to 5 with 8 also. So 5 into x is 5x. This 5 is carrying plus sign and here is also plus sign. So plus would be plus. 5 into 8 is what? 40 equals to 7 into x is 7x. Okay. Now we'll transpose this 5x towards right hand side. It will look like 40 is equals to 7x minus 5x. So we'll get answer as 7x minus 5x would be 2x. So we can write this equation in this form also, that is 2x equals to 40, isn't it? Now we'll transpose this 2 towards right hand side. So it will look like x is equals to 40 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 20s are 40. So x equals to 20. So what was x? X was number of girls is x. So we'll write it down as number of girls is equals to 20 and number of boys would be what? 8 more than the girls. That means 20 plus 8, that would be 28. So this is your required answer. So this is the solution of sum number 10. Now let's move on to sum number 11. Sum number 11, we have 3 characters. Okay, Baichung's father, Baichung's grandfather and Baichung itself. Fine. So there is some relation given, how they are related, how the age is related. That is Baichung's father. Let me just read out this question. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. That is Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older to Baichung's father and 29 years older than Baichung, and Baichung's father is 29 years older to Baichung. That it's quite obvious that Baichung's grandfather would be 26 plus 29 years older to Baichung. Okay, so if I let me just explain one by one. So suppose if I let Baichung's age as, let Baichung age be x. Okay, so if Baichung age be x, so Baichung's father age would be, Baichung's father age would be what? How many years Baichung's father is older to Baichung? It is 29 years. So that would be x plus 29. Isn't it? So Baichung's age, if Baichung age is x, so Baichung's father's would be x plus 29 years. Now the last part, Baichung grandfather's age. Grandfather age would be what? Grandfather is 26 years older to his son, that is Baichung's father, and also as because Baichung's father is 29 years older to his Baichung's, then it's quite obvious then 29 years more we have to add if you compare the age with Baichung's grandfather. So that would give you the age as x plus 55. Okay, so if Baichung age is x, Baichung's father age is 29 years more to Baichung age, that would be x plus 29, and Baichung's grandfather's age compared to Baichung is x plus 26 plus 29, that is x plus 55. Now in the second part of the question they have given the sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. So that is ATQ would be Baichung's age plus Baichung's father age plus Baichung grandfather's age. If you add up all their ages, that will give you 135 years. Now one by one we'll write. The Baichung x is what we have let, x. Baichung father's age is what? X plus 29. So x plus 29. Baichung's grandfather age is what? X plus 55. Now if you add all these three, we'll get 135. Now we have to solve this to get the value of x. Okay, so x plus x plus x is what? 3x. Now 29 plus 55 is what? 5, 6, 7, that means 84 equals to 135. Now we all know what we have to do. We have to transpose this plus 84 towards right hand side. So it will look like 3x is equals to 135 minus 84. So we'll get the answer as 5 minus 4 is 1 and 13 minus 8 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that is 51. Okay, so x would be equals to 51 divided by 3 and you will get the answer as 17. Now what was x? Whose age was x? Baichung's age. So now we'll conclude the solution as Baichung age is equals to 17 years. Now Baichung's father age would be Baichung's father age would be x plus what? 29. Absolutely right. That is x plus, not x, in place of x I will put the value, that is 17 plus 29. That will give you 46 years. And Baichung's grandfather age now, Baichung's grandfather age would be x plus 55, that would be 17 plus 55, and this will give you answer as 5, 6, 72 years. Okay, so Baichung age is 17 years, Baichung's father age is 46 years, and Baichung's grandfather age is 72 years. So this is the solution of question number 11. Okay, so that's it for today. Now in our next class I will explain question number 12 and 13. Okay, till then, God bless you all and take care.